Spring is here, the gear is out, the route is planned, but there's one thing that can kill the vibe before you even leave the driveway: a dead battery. Welcome to the Motorcycle Battery Masterclass.
Most riders treat their battery like a black box. They ignore it until it fails. But today, we're showing you how to make it last for seasons, not just months. First, let's talk about the vibration assassin. Motorcycles are high-vibration environments. Standard car-style construction just won't cut it. Constant shaking causes plate shedding, where the power-producing material flakes off the lead grids.
That's why we always recommend AGM technology. See these fluffy white mats? They're compressed between the plates like high-tech cushions. They lock everything in place so the road can't shake your power away. Next is the 12.5 volts rule. If your battery has been sitting all winter and you see anything below 12.5 volts, you're in the danger zone.
At 12.5 volts, a process called sulfation begins. Hard crystals grow on the plates, acting like a crust that blocks electricity. If you let those crystals harden, your battery's capacity is permanently lowered. Catch it early, charge it up, and save your wallet.
Don't cook your battery. Using an old-school trickle charger on a small bike battery is like leaving a stove on high. It boils away the liquid and ruins the plates.
Always use a smart charger. It has a brain. It talks to the battery, charges in stages, and automatically switches to float mode. It's the best investment you can make for your bike.
Finally, don't forget the terminal TLC. Moisture gets trapped and creates the nasty blue fuzz or corrosion.
A thin layer of dielectric grease creates an airtight seal. It stops the corrosion before it starts.
So, to recap, buy AGM batteries. Never let it sit below 12.5 volts. Use a smart charger. Protect your terminals with dielectric grease. Stay charged, stay safe, and we'll see you on the road. Don't forget to follow Edianazi Edu for more battery secrets.